Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing very yummy coconut cupcakes recipe. I'm sure you will like it. In a mixer jar, add half cup of sugar, grind into fine powder. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, add the powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, beat till fluffy and creamy. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Beat it. For this recipe, I used total 2 grated coconuts. I'm adding the grated coconut in batches. I started by using 1 cup of grated coconut, then mixing it well after each batch. Now I'm adding less than half cup of grated coconut, one cup of grated coconut, one-third cup of grated coconut, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar ground into fine powder. Mix well. Place cupcake liners in the cavities of the cupcake tray. Fill the cupcake liners with the coconut mixture. Then bake in a preheated oven. I bake these coconut cupcakes at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, insert a skewer into the coconut cupcakes to check whether they are ready. If the skewer comes out clean, then the coconut cupcakes are ready. If not, they have to be baked for some more time. Once the coconut cupcakes are baked, leave them in the tray to cool. Then remove them from the cupcake tray. Then you can remove the cupcake liners and enjoy the yummy coconut cupcakes. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.